you're watching PMASH TV. Coming up next, your life's in Jeopardy. And at 3:30, How I Met Your New Mother.
This is Your Life's in Jeopardy. And here's your host, recently voted as having the #1 most seductive eyebrows in basic cable television, Tralex Ebek.
Welcome to Your Life's in Jeopardy. Yes, everybody's favorite game show. This is Cancer Edition. Let's meet today's contestants. Coming to us from Wallowitz, Illinois, is Gina.
It's Gina.
Gina, do you have a last name?
No, just Gina.
Did you say Gina, or am I hearing Gina?
You're hearing Gina.
Gina, okay. Thanks for joining us, Gina.
Gina! Gina!
And from Rock Island, Illinois, we have J-9 Snuffleupagus. Thanks for joining us today. Let's get this game started. Gina won the coin toss, so she'll be going first. Our topics today are prevention and treatment, molecular causes of cancer, types of cancer cells, behavior of cancer cells, and common cancer types. What are you picking, Gina?
Types of cancer for 100, please.
All right, and the question is, how are cancer cell types distinguished?
By the cell in which it originates.
That's correct. $100 for Janie.
Can I have behavior of cancer cells for 100?
Behavior of cancer cells for $100. The question is, what uncontrolled stage of the cell life cycle are cancer cells defined by?
Gina, yes.
Mitosis.
Correct. Big category.
Can I have behavior of cancer cells for 300, please, Tralex?
This is a Clue Crew question. I'll send it over to our correspondents, Ffej, Krats, and Token Brown for more.
In this process, cells from the cancerous tumor break off into the bloodstream to the heart.
From the heart, they are deposited into this cute liver right here, where they will form a brand new tumor. This process is known as...
Gina.
That would be metastasis.
Correct.
Can I get behavior of cancer cells for 400, please?
What happens when cancer metastasis?
Gina.
The cancer cells remain the same for the tissue that it was in, so breast cancer cells will, if they travel to the liver, they will still look like breast cancer cells, and they will be treated like breast cancer cells.
Correct, $400.
Can I get common cancer types for 100, please?
What well-known DNA virus causes cancer by interfering with the cell cycle controls?
J-9.
Human papillomavirus?
Correct. $100.
And I'm going to have to stop you there because we're now at a commercial break. Stay tuned and keep watching.
8 out of 10 sexually active women can be infected with the human papillomavirus. 4 strains of HPV can cause various diseases such as cervical cancer, genital warts, and vaginal cancer.
Julia's here joining me in my office, ready to get her HPV vaccine, which is going to help her against cervical cancer.
Absolutely, doctor, but I would be remiss if I not were to mention that we are in the back of your vehicle right now, and I feel extremely uncomfortable.
This is my office.
Gardasil is the only cervical cancer vaccination that can protect against 4 types of HPV.
I'll stand by you. I'll stand by you. Won't let nobody hurt you. I'll stand by you.
And Gardasil is for men too! Side effects include pain, swelling, itching, and redness at the injection site, fever, nausea, dizziness, vomiting, and fainting. female woman, and I don't want my partner to infect me, so I asked my doctor about Gardasil.
I'm getting my HPV vaccine. When are you getting yours?
It's time for that part of the show where we meet our contestants. First up is Gina.
Gina.
We'll just agree to disagree on that one.
Okay.
Gina, it says here that your favorite condiment is tartar sauce. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about that?
Well, I just like that tartar sauce can go on anything fishy. And that would be why it's my favorite condiment there, Tralex.
Isn't that special? Well, I bet if you win the money, you could buy as much tartar sauce as your little heart would enjoy.
That's what I hope for.
Sounds good. Hey, J-9, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. It says here that you have a collection of celebrity toenails. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, I like to suck on them, so that's why I like to collect them.
I like to suck on them too.
Yeah, no, they're salty, so.
That's an interesting fact about yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And that's all the time we have.
Welcome back to Your Life's in Jeopardy! Cancer Edition. J-9 was the last to win a point, so she will pick the next question.
Can I have behavior of cancer cells for 500?
Do all cancer cells grow at the same rate?
J-9.
No. Lower grade cancer cells divide more slowly and look more like normal cells than higher grade cancer cells.
Correct. Pick another question.
Can I have types of cancer cells for 300?
Types of cancer cells for $300. What is the cancer of epithelial cells called, and what % of cancers do these make up?
J-9.
Carcinomas, 85%.
Correct. Pick another question.
Can I have types of cancer cells for 400, please?
Cancer cells that are called sarcomas are found in which type of tissue in the body?
J-9.
You got my name right. They're found in bone and soft tissue.
Correct.
Can I get prevention and treatment for 400, please?
$400. This is another Clue Crew question, so I'll send it over to Ffej and Token.
Cigarettes contain many types of carcinogens. By smoking, you increase the risk of this type of cancer.
Gina.
Gina?
Gina.
Be lung cancer.
Correct. Pick another question.
Can I get prevention and treatment for 100, please?
Prevention and treatment, $100. What round, red vegetable is thought to decrease cancer risk? Gina.
That would be the tomato, Tralex.
Tomato is correct. Please pick another category. Gina.
I'll get prevention and treatment for 300, please, Tralex.
How does chemotherapy work against cancer cells? Gina.
Chemotherapy works by targeting rapidly dividing cells, which is why you lose your hair and your stomach hurts, because those cells, the cells in the lining of your stomach and your hair cells all divide rapidly.
You are correct, Gina.
Thank you.
Please pick another question.
Can I get prevention and treatment for 500, please?
Prevention and treatment for $500. Which therapy works by damaging a cancer cell's DNA? Gina.
That would be radiation therapy.
That is correct.
Can I get prevention and treatment for 200, please?
Looks like you hit another Clue Crew question there, Gina.
Perfect.
Let's go over to Krats and Brown for that question.
I have sunglasses on to protect against this type of light, which will cause cancer.
Gina.
UV.
Thank you, Jeannie.
Can I get common cancer types for 400, please?
What type of cancer is characterized by sores that do not heal on the skin?
Gina.
Gina?
Gina.
Thank you. That would be melanoma, Tralex.
You're correct. And before you pick another question, I'm going to have to stop you for a word from our sponsors. Please stay with us until after the break.
Man, I love to bronze, but when I do, I get these weird dots on me. How do I fix that?
How you doing, young lady? The feeling that you're giving really drives me crazy. You don't have a player like the choke. I was at a loss for word first time that we spoke.
You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for in the daytime with the light.
You might be the type if I play my cards right. I'll find out by the end of the night.
You expect me to just let you hit it, but will you still respect me if you get it?
All I can do is try, give me one chance. What's the problem? I don't see the ring on your hand. I'll be the first to admit it. I'm curious about you, you seem so innocent.
You wanna get in my world, get lost in it. Boy, I'm tired of running, let's walk for a minute.
Coconut Dream, because protection is the essence of beauty, and beauty is the essence of life.
Also, it helps protect against cancer from protecting you from harmful UV rays.
Warning, when applied liberally, side effects may include spontaneous sexiness, and wild antics may ensue. Please use responsibly.
And welcome back to Your Life's in Jeopardy Cancer Edition, where one contestant wins a bunch of money and the other dies. Gina had the last answer, so she will pick the next question.
Can I get molecular causes of cancer for 100, please?
Molecular causes of cancer for $100. What is an oncogene?
Genie.
A gene that has the potential to cause cancer when mutated or expressed in high levels.
You are correct. Please pick another question.
Can I have molecular causes of cancer for 200?
Cancer cells not only fail to die, but continue to cause more genetic damage when what gene is defective? Oh, Gina.
That would be the P53 gene.
You are correct, Gina. Please pick another question.
Can I get molecular causes of cancer for 300, please?
$300. Mutations in what inhibitory component of the cell can lead to cancer?
China.
Can I get... Oh, just kidding. That'll be the tumor suppressor gene.
You are correct once again. Gina is on a roll. Please pick another category.
I'll get molecular causes of cancer for 400, please.
Ah, yes. What enzyme associated with telomeres do cancer cells use to extend their life and ability to divide?
China.
Telomerase, because telomerase synthesizes the telomeres. So the longer the telomeres are, the longer the cell lives.
That is correct. Another $400 to Gina. Pick another category.
Molecular causes of cancer for 500, please.
Goodness grief, Charlie Brown. It looks like we have another Clue Crew question. Let's go over to our two most magically delicious correspondents, Ffej, Krats, and Token Brown.
Yeah. These are mice. How are these little creatures used in the study of cancer?
Okay. That would be, the mouse is used because we inject mutated oncogenes or mutated tumor suppressor genes into the mouse to see what kind of cancer they develop and how long it takes to cure it, if curing it is possible at all.
That is correct. Gina, you are on fire. You're like a hot tamale over there.
Thank you.
Pick another question.
Can I get types of cancer cells for 200, please?
Well, dip me in chocolate, cover me in nuts, and call me Channing Tatum. Two Clue Crew questions in a row. Back to those two rascals for another question.
Here we are in our local big box supermarket, asking what kind of cancer cells you will find in this muscle tissue.
J-9.
Leiomyosarcoma?
That is correct. Glad to see you on the board, J-9.
Thanks.
Please pick a question.
Types of cancer cells for 500?
$500. What types of cells are found in the brain? If they become cancerous, what will the cancer cells be referred to as?
J-9.
The nerve cells, and they're referred to as neurosarcoma.
You are correct. Pick another question.
Common cancer types for 300, please.
$300. What is the most common type of brain cancer? J-9.
Glioma. Glial cells of the brain are infected.
You are correct. The most common type of brain cancer is glioma. Please pick another question.
Can I get behavior for 200?
$200. What is angiogenesis?
China.
Angiogenesis is when the tumor cell gets blood vessels to go to it, and then it provides nutrients for the tumor cell.
Ah, correct. Please pick one of our last two questions.
Can I get cancer types for 500, please?
$500. What are the most diagnosed cancers in men and women?
China.
That would be prostate cancer and breast cancer.
Correct. $500.
And our last question. What cancer, generally found in men between the ages of 16 to 35, can be cured if caught on time?
Jeannie.
Testicular.
Yes! And that is all for our questions. We will review the scores and go to Final Jeopardy! And now it's time for Final Jeopardy! Today's question is, what structural difference is found in a cancerous neuron compared to a healthy cell? Contestants, start writing your answers. And now it's time to see our contestants' answers. Gina, can you please show us your answer?
I had, what is an enlarged nuclei for 100?
That is correct. Enlarged nuclei are found in cancerous neurons. Your total score is now 3,300. And we move over to J-9 Snuffleupagus. Show the camera your answer, please. What is a hobbit? Wow. Kind of nerdy, aren't you?
Bet.
And you bet $0. That leaves you with 1,600. So today's big winner is Gina.
Perfect.
With $3,300, you bring it home.
Now I can buy that tartar sauce.
Oh yeah, you love the tartar sauce,
Yeah,
don't you?
I do.
And sorry for a loser, but here on Your Life's in Jeopardy, your life is actually in jeopardy. Please take her away. Thank you for watching. We'll see you here next time on Your Life is in Jeopardy, where either you win a bunch of money or you get killed.
Is this the scene where I get naked? No?